we're walking along the beach here. We're at Temescal Canyon Beach, right off PCH, and there was a lot of traffic. Initially, I wanted to go on the Santa Monica Pier down there, but I started pulling up there, and it was just a sea of people. In fact, they wouldn't even let you drive onto the pier and park in their parking lot that they got there. I don't know if you could see it off in the distance, the Santa Monica Pier. But it was just like way too many people. And I thought, you know what? It's so gorgeous down along this stretch here that I just wanted to have a little me time. And of course, sharing it with you. So it's we time. W-E, not W-E-E. And just have this little time to get out here and collect the thoughts. So I'm not going to talk for a second. I'm just going to let you guys just soak in the sounds and the beauty of the beautiful beach here in Southern California. Beautiful sunset. Looking up the coast there at Malibu. Or as we say here in Southern California, the Boo.